This is 10 Niel Street, 610 metres squared, dual living, needs work, nice quiet area on a sealed road, close to the water. Let's take a look inside. Got some big mango trees here. It is sold as is. Unfortunately, due to these structural posts here being rotten at the bottom, we're unable to view the inside upstairs, so I have taken a video and photos for you. So we have a double carport, so access to the upstairs is via these stairs that have been removed to take away the access until the posts have been replaced. It's all block render on the lower story. So the lower level floor plan and the upper level floor plan are exactly the same, with the kitchen and then the living area, 2 bedrooms, bathroom, separate toilet and laundry. So kitchen needs a new kitchen. On tiles. Window needs replacing. That one's okay. Has high ceilings. So this door here, the glass needs replacing. It's about 40 metres squared living area, and with sliding doors. Okay, one of the bedrooms here. Second bedroom here. Really decent sized bedrooms. So we've got some moisture issues here. Bathroom and laundry. Upstairs is all hardwood floors and it all looks fairly good here. It doesn't look like there has been any major leaks. And toilet. And here the bathroom, bath, and separate shower. So the ceiling has been pulled off here as well. This is the veranda, and the access to the upstairs has been removed due to the one of the structural posts needing replacing, so it's not safe. But to access this top area is by stairs, external stairs only. Okay, we'll start at the kitchen. Space for a double fridge. Just a little bit of moisture issue here from the fridge. The living area is about 40 meters squared. The bathroom leads off the living area, and the 2 bedrooms upstairs. That is the door to the deck, which is not there anymore. Floors are all polished, timber, hardwood timber floors. North, that is north, that direction. The windows, this one needs replacing. This one looks okay. This door needs replacing, the glass, and there's a few jib repairs. Ceilings are a good height, quite high. Coming through to the 2 bedrooms, need some repair there. It's a good sized room actually, about 4 meters by 5 meters. Those windows are okay. Built-in wardrobe and hardwood timber floors. Nice high ceilings. And okay, moving into the 2nd bedroom upstairs. Same size as the other room, 20 meters squared or 4 meters by 5 meters. Has the built-in robes here. Timber floors, and yeah, the walls do need some repair there. But yeah, high ceilings. Coming through to the bathroom. This is the laundry space for upstairs. And the manhole up there. Through here. Separate toilet. And in here, is separate bath. And shower cubicle. Just pointing this out here in the living area. Some termite damage along here. Can see where the old veranda was there. So to the rear of the house, it is on a concrete slab. And with retaining walls. And septic tank.